In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use flexible columns in HubSpot pages. To do that, first, head over to the content. So on your dashboard, you can do so by going to the content and choosing between landing pages or website pages. On my case, let me proceed to choose the website page. Now here is the page that we're talking about. So for this case, you just need to actually add a section that you want to use by clicking on this plus icon and head over and search right here for a section. You can add section headings and likes. You can head over and then add right here another one and then just add it all together. So if you want to add another blank, you can click onto this add section as well and then choose right here what you want. So onto this case, you can choose flexible layouts. So it should be able to be found right here if it's available. You can also locate the sections that you want added by clicking on this all sections and it should be added right here. I'll head over and add this one and then you should be able to see it appear right there. Now, once the actual section has appeared, you just need to add some more modules to this. You can do so by clicking on this plus icon. And then in here we have modules available. You can add modules such as text, images, and buttons. From there, you can just adjust the column width, order, height, and the likes, and then preview and publish to update the page. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.